Alright, you know the drill by now that we're looking at graphs and we're looking at how they change. We're looking at the hyperbola, which for positive is in that quadrant and that quadrant, and for negative, that quadrant and that quadrant. So it says it's in the first and the third, the fourth and the second. It changes the width, the number at the top, so the 4 is going to be thinner and this one's going to be closer, but we don't tend to come across that very often. That's really pathetic, that one there. Okay, exponentials we come across more often. Exponentials are a graph where there's the power, and it looks like that. If it's a fraction, it will be the opposite direction. It's like it's a negative, and you have to look at the indice laws. So a half to the power of x is the same as minus 2 to the x. So a curve where a is greater than 1, the curve is positive direction. The larger the number, the steeper the curve. So if it was 5, it would come up here. And where it's less than 1 or a fraction, it's negative. And the smaller the fraction, the steeper. So if we have a look at this, it's 4 lots of that. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it always cuts at 1. Always cuts at 1. And that's because any number to the power of 0 is 1. So this one here will cut at 4 because it's 4 lots of the power. It goes like this. So that's 4 and that's 3. So it's moved the whole graph up 4. No, it hasn't. Ignore that. That would be the graph plus 4. That's the graph. This is 0.3, so it cuts at 0.3 and looks like that. BA changes the y-intercept. It moves the graph up or down. Okay, I'll look at this in the next video.